Greetings to everyone as the family of Holy Cross gets excited to welcome you all for this 27th Annual Parents' Day celebration 2024. Every day there are beautiful reasons to be happy, and today we are more happy because of the Annual Parents' Day celebration at Holy Cross School, PANISAGAR. Let's talk about an amazing celebration of Roots and Wings. On December 7th, 2024, Holy Cross School in PANISAGAR was buzzing with excitement. Nearly 2,000 parents and well-wishers came together. Can you believe it? It was our annual Parents' Day, and this year's theme was Roots and Wings. This powerful metaphor encapsulates the school's mission to nurture and empower the students to soar to greater heights, while remaining grounded in values and roots that will sustain them throughout their lives. It wasn't just another event, it was a celebration of everything we do together. The parents' unwavering support, guidance and encouragement are the wind beneath their wings, propelling them to reach new horizons. Roots of strength is the wings of grace. Here at Holy Cross we want to teach kids not just facts, but also how to be good people. We follow the great ideas of Blessed Basil Moreau to educate the hearts and minds of the students so as to think, act and lead a life with courage towards creating a just and peaceful society. We help kids build strong roots, a good foundation, and give them wings so they can explore and reach for the sky. The whole day was full of amazing performances. Our students showed off their incredible talents. We had cultural dances and inspiring speeches. Everything reminded us of our Roots and Wings theme, how our past connects to our future. Holy Cross isn't just a school, it's a family which cares for the students with love, kindness and compassion. Parents, teachers and students all came together, making our school feel like a second home. You could feel the excitement, the laughter and the pride in the air. Looking ahead, we're still dedicated to teaching the whole child. We want to create a place where every student can grow, explore and reach for their dreams. A big thank you to everyone who made this day so special. Together, we're living the Roots and Wings idea, building a future based on strong values and big dreams. Here's to many more years of growing together and celebrating at Holy Cross School. PANISAGAR, the dedication of the teachers and the vibrant spirit of the students made the event grant success. All praise and glory to God. God bless Holy Cross.